To all of you, I am Suraj Soni, student of BSc IT second year. I am here to give an on-board presentation on the topic demultiplexer. Now, what is demultiplexer? A demultiplexer is a device that channels one input signal to multiple outputs, effectively managing data flow in electronic systems. Now we are seeing the components of demultiplexer. First is input that carries the data signal from source. Second one is select, control which output is chosen next, and the third one is output, carries the signal to the selected path. These are the practical applications which use in demultiplexer. First is routing, used to manage data flow in communication system. Second one is decoding, essential for memory address decoding in computers. Third one is distribution, facilitates signal distribution in digital circuits. Now, thank you for everyone.